Have you noticed the surge of animated cartoon characters on YouTube, propelling channels to over 100K subscribers and millions of views without ever revealing their faces? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through creating a captivating anime avatar using AI. Many popular YouTube channels use this kind of animated avatar. The truth is, creating these characters isn't easy. It often involves using Adobe After Effects video editing software, which can be time-consuming and may not be suitable for everyone. But good news is, after watching this video, you'll become an expert at making your own AI avatar and will only use free tools. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more AI updates. We will go through a step-by-step guide to create an AI avatar. There are 5 steps to turn your character into an animated one. All these steps can be completed using a free AI tool, so there's no need to worry. Step 1. Generate a character. We will create our animated character. While many people use Leonardo AI, CapCut, or Canva to generate their AI avatars, there is a secret tool that is far better than all these tools, and it's completely free. It's called Playground AI. We will be using Playground AI to create our character because by signing up on their website, you will get 500 image generations for free. So I am using it, and you guys can also use other tools. After opening Playground AI, click on Create in the top right corner. Now select the filter. I will use Ultra Lighting. Paste the prompt in the prompt bar. You will find this prompt in the video description. Click on Generate button to make our image. You may need to try it several times to create the perfect character. I'm going to choose this character. After choosing the character, click on the action bar in the top right corner of the AI image. Then, click on Edit in Canvas. Once on Canvas, click on Generate Image from the upper bar. Also, select the dimensions from the right side and choose a 16:9 ratio. Now adjust the size with your avatar image size to generate whole image. Select the Ultra Lighting filter and generate the entire image. Our character creation is now complete. You can proceed to download it. Just click the download button to download this image for free. Step 2. Upscale the character. Now, we need to upscale our character image. For this, we're going to use Upscale Media, a free AI tool that can upscale our image up to 2x or 4x. Sign up for Upscale Media. Upload your image. Select Upscale to 2x and turn on Enhance Quality. And download the upscaled version. Can you see image quality is really good now? Just download it. Step 3. Create an environment for the character. For creating the environment for our character, we will use Canva because it has a variety of animated icons that will make our character more appealing and engaging. Let's head to Canva, upload our character image, and add some animated icons. I am incorporating my own environment for the character. You should research and create your own environment for the character. For me, we are going to use a table fan, clock, and coffee. So I am speed fast this process. Add every icons carefully so it looks good. Here is our environment for the character. Try to make your unique one yourself. Step 4. Animate the character. To animate our character, there are various methods available. 2 AI tools, Hagen and Artflow, can automate the process for you if you prefer not to use video editing software. Otherwise, we will use CapCut to animate our character. To get started, you'll need lip sync videos, which you can download from my description or find on YouTube. There are plenty of options available. Now, head to CapCut, import your Canva edited video and a lip sync video. Ensure both videos have the same duration for a cohesive look. In CapCut, click on Remove BG from the right corner. After that, select Chrome key to eliminate the green screen. Use the green screen carefully to ensure a polished appearance. After that, adjust the size to match our AI image. Adjust the size of the lips to match the character size. To make the character more attractive, You can use filters from CapCut. It will make your character 10 times more engaging. I am using the spectrum scanning filter for my character. You can try out this one or use different kinds of filters to make your character more realistic. With these steps, 80% of our work is complete. Step 5. AI voice for the avatar. Now, let's move on to the voiceover section. You can use your own voice, or if you prefer a realistic text-to-speech voice, you can try out 11 Labs, Play.ht, or Murph tools for generating voices. If you want more information, you can check out my previous video where I discuss the top free text-to-speech voiceover AI tools. Personally, I'm going to use Murph because it offers many voiceover options and has a free plan. Now, I'm going to generate a voiceover using Murph AI. It sounds very realistic and good. Just paste your text, hit generate, and make your AI voice. After generating the voice, adjust it in CapCut video editing, and then export the video. Now that the character animation is complete, you can see a sample here.
Hello, I am an AI avatar created by Shafin Tech. It's nice to meet you. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel.
As a bonus, I'm offering a pack of 10 AI avatars and mouth animations for free. Simply visit my Gumroad shop and purchase it for $0. Like, subscribe, and comment if there's anything you don't understand, and I'll be sure to reply. Now you know how to create an AI animated character for your channel using free tools. Remember, this method is simpler and more accessible.